Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And from the homepage of this app, you can add payment method, different types of cards, and from the menu, you can manage all of your payment methods, check full list of participating banks, check tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. If you go to settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you can set payment method, set screen lock, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can go to help and support, send feedback, and in the end, you've got access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.